Here's a tutorial on how to connect the CINENORM series monitors to the Z-CINE2 camera via wired connection. Applicable models: BM5 for WR, BM5-4, and BM7 to DS. First, connect the HDMI cable to the camera's HDMI out port and the monitor's HDMI in port. Next, connect the control cable to the camera's XL out port and the camera's remote port. Then, set up the monitor's input signal. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Go to Monitor Settings, click Input, and set the input signal to HDMI. Now, let's check how to pair the connections. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Click on the external devices, select Wired, and then click Connect. Once the monitor detects the camera connection, select Z-CINE2 to complete the connection. In the camera control interface, tap Rack to enable or unenable camera recording. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus to enable touch focus. In AF mode, you can enable touch focus. In MFS mode, you can switch focus via the screen buttons. If the camera is equipped with a motorized zoom lens, you can tap Zoom to zoom in or out. Click WB to adjust the white balance. Click FPS to switch the camera's frame rate. Tap Raise to change the resolution of the image. Click VFR to adjust the VFR value. Tap the playback icon to quickly open the camera menu or select a function, view recorded files, and access camera shortcuts. That's the tutorial about how to connect the Z-CINE2 wired. Thanks for watching.